Okay, people, here's my 1991 Pontiac Firebird. We'll do a quick walk around here. It is currently under construction. So we'll start at the front. See, I got new shocks and springs all the way around, new wheel bearings all the way around, new calipers, rotors, pads, drilled and slotted rotors on the front, 18-inch C6 wheels. Let's see, WS6 sway bar front and back, Wonder bar, shorty headers, 2.5-inch custom Y pipe into a 2.5-inch in, 3-inch out Flowmaster Y transition, like so. 3-inch all the way back. Got a 3-inch cutout right behind, or right in front of the axle. Get up under here. There's a BMR torque arm relocation and transmission cross member. All new mounts, bushings, UMI torque arm. Oh, let's go back here. Got a disc brake rear end put in with 410 gears, posi. Once again, new calipers, pads, rotors, all new brake lines. See, under here you got adjustable tubular control arms, new sway bar, links, bushings, etc. Adjustable panhard, both ends. Flowmaster muffler. Stainless tips. The car's kind of dirty right now, but don't look too bad. Tinted my windows myself. Done everything to this car myself, actually. Don't look too bad. I have the EBL flash system for tuning. Let's go straight to the computer. T5 trans, 5-speed. Kenwood deck. Let's see, I got Rockford Fosgate 4x6, 2 ways, I believe, maybe 3 ways. 2 ways. Rockford Fosgate, 3-way 6x9s. Kenwood amp, 2 6x9 subwoofers, and my custom box I made. Pillar gauges, vacuum, fuel pressure, O2. My factory hood was destroyed, so I bought this fiberglass W6 style hood. Ram air not functional, so I made my own little cold air intake here. 3-inch. Summit has this aluminum tubing, 5 feet for around $30, and it has another piece of tubing that goes straight in that direction to the throttle body. Air filter. Before installing the cold air intake, my IIT temps were around 110 to 115 degrees on a 65-70 degree day, and after installing this cold air intake, it's usually about 5 degrees above ambient temperature. Here's the little 305 that's getting rebuilt and going back in it. Hopefully it'll be in a machine shop at the first of next week. And my oil passage is cleaned up here. Some clearancing for the double roller timing chain. Here's the heads, which I'm working on porting. This cylinder head is finished for the most part. There's some slight polishing, rounding all the sharp edges slightly. Some porting. This head has not been touched yet as far as porting goes. Didn't really remove any material here except for gasket matching, but just kind of smoothed everything up. Like I said, no real material removal. Oh, here's a pile of new parts. We got underdrive pulleys, intake, balancer, comp roller lifters, ARP rod bolts, main studs, fuel pressure regulator, cam. There's part number. It's like 488, 495 lift, 268, 270 advertised duration on a 114 LSA, which with the 1.6 rockers, that'll be around 528 lift on the exhaust side, 520 on the intake. Springs, retainers, push rods, oil pump, pistons, Speed Pro, flat tops with 5cc valve relief, 30 over. Big ass pile of parts. Anyways, over to the old pile of parts. There's the rockers I'll be using. I said 1.6 full roller. They've been on the engine for about a year, so I'm just going to reuse those. Clean them up good. Main caps. Got this cleaned up and radiused in here a little bit to promote the oil flow. Stock clutch, which is probably going back in it for now because I can't afford a $400 clutch, flywheel, crank pulley that's getting replaced, AC compressor that'll be going back on. AC works great. Getting my cousin to rebuild my AC compressor. Valve covers, had to put those on when I put the 1/6 ratio rockers on for clearance. Water pump is getting replaced with underdrive pulleys. Carb hat with the rest of my cold air intake under that. It's a CFM Tech 620 CFM throttle body, which it will be getting factory regulator deleted, bigger injectors, and a little more smoothing and porting on this injector pod. I think that's about it. Like I said, hope to have my motor in the machine shop first of the week. Hopefully put back together and back in the car within the next 2 weeks. Oh, and just for reference, here's some old time slips from about a month ago from the stock little 305 TBI motor, also known as the infamous LO3. Let's see, where am I at? I'm on this side. 8th mile time, 9.82 at 71.48 miles per hour. That's spinning pretty bad too. That's a 2.229 60 foot. Here's one 9.804 at 71.84. Another 9.839 at 71.49. 9.865 at 71.54. 9.85 at 71.49. Best 60 foot so far is 2.228. Which I had some better 60 foots last year at 2.1.